All right, the project today is to work on the 69912 and get the carburetors tuned up a little better for driving at high altitude in Denver, Colorado. Back, and I've been putting this off. So we're going to try and rejet the carburetors, the Weber IDFs, for altitude. I came from the Midwest and now we're in Denver. So obvious first things, we're going to take the top off, the air filter, take the air filter off, and we're going to take the emulsion tubes out and change up some things to get probably a little less gas in and a little more air in to lean out the mixture. So here we go. All right, very simple first step, just a couple wing nuts and then get the air filter out of the way. And there's your intakes for the carburetors. So your two tubes, I already took one of them out, but first tube. So this is what you're taking out right here. And when it comes out, it looks like this. All right, so we got the two tubes out. Just takes a small screwdriver. Shouldn't be too much pressure on them. I put a couple paper towels just in the intakes there just to make sure we don't drop something unfortunate down in there and make a much bigger project. So over to the workbench. And I just bought a smattering of main jets and air jets. And here's what they look like. They're just small components. And here's the main jets that we took out. All right, so the most important thing for being at altitude was to remove the main jet, which is gonna let fuel in. The numbers are very small on the end. You'll just have to trust me. Maybe you can read it. So I started at 130, which is appropriate for the Midwest. Put that away. And step down to a 120. You can just read that. All right, the tube just pulls apart with a little bit of force. And the next thing we're gonna look at is the air jet. So we're not letting enough of the air in. And so that little jet there, we're going to replace, and we're going to change it from a 200 to a 210. So this little guy pulls out the top, and you can see that's a 210, and we're going to push it back in. All right, so we replaced the 200s, we have the 210 in. We're just going to push these two back together and then go put them back in the car. So after doing the work on the carbs, ran it around for a while, and I got to tell you, it is running a lot better. And very happy with the results.